Hey everyone, I'm going to be recycling plastic today and making this copper bedside table. For this project you'll need plastic that you want to recycle, copper pipes, bamboo, T-intersections, 90-degree intersections, copper spacers, glue and compression clamps. I'm recycling polypropylene, also known as plastic number 5. I removed these center pieces since they were made out of polystyrene.
Tidal waves of blue come crashing. Baby, I should unwind. They say
Once I've shredded the plastic, I add it to my aluminium mould. This mould consists of 2 I-beams, forced together with compression clamps.
maybe they think I'm gone.
Then I filled the I-beams with the plastic and then placed into the oven at preheated 220 degrees Celsius and waited for the plastic to get to a gooey consistency. I added more plastic if needed and put the mould lid on. Clamped them together, placed back into the oven and making sure the mould closed. Once closed, I removed the mould and let sit to cool naturally. I then removed the bar from the mould and repeated the process for the rest of the bars. I'll be making a video on how to make this simple and cheap mould, link in the description. I got this idea through Precious Plastics, check them out in the description too. This can be done in a standard kitchen oven as well. Using a standard bench saw, I halved each plastic beam and trimmed the edges, making sure to keep the work area clean and collecting all scrap plastic for reuse. I was going to have solid copper pipe go between the plastic, but the drill bit was too big and would crack it. So I changed the plan and used heavy gauge wire, bamboo and copper spacers. I cut the copper pipe to length and superglued the fittings together. And this is the bedside table. Please leave a comment on how I can improve it, as this is my first video. Also check out Precious Plastics to learn more about plastic recycling. I'll leave a link below. Also subscribe for more recycling videos coming soon. Thanks. Have a good day.